We went out drifting, had too much fun, you know what I'm saying? And I bent the shit out of my lateral. Alright, so it literally took me like 20 minutes. You see the fucking difference right there. This shit ain't no doubt. It's no doubt that motherfucker, but it's no doubt that thing bad. So while it's off, let me see if I can shift it. I'm just gonna put some WD-40 on those bushings and use the pry bar, I guess. See if I can shift it like that, or if I'm gonna have to take the sway bar off and just readjust it to where its original position was. I can just like fucking leave it where it's at, right, boys? Alright, let's get it. I'll show you a picture of one. I got the fucking the other one. That was the only boys. 45 minutes later, I shifted it. I don't know if you can tell. There's no more of that nice and shiny fucking sway bar. The lateral bar is in. It looks nice, yeah, but the pillow bars are worn. But to be honest, it's better than the bent one. That's what I got so far. But you can see that it's worn right there. But I'm kind of thinking that people would sell the actual pillow ball mounts. From here to here, I'm guessing. I'll do some research on that because I think I'm gonna keep this one. This lateral bar will be cheaper. Well, that's it. We're gonna have a couple of installations on my boy's RA65 Toyota Celica GTS. We got a care package of some LCAs, knuckles, and tie rods. So we'll have a video of that as well. Again, stay loose, drift that shit, send it. You know what I'm saying?
Watch where you're going, you fool!